My name's Matt Bruckman. I'm a product expert here at Fasteners Plus. So to determine the right size boot that you need for your application, and there'll be several choices that will still fit the same application, there's two critical dimensions that we need to know. One, what's the outside size of your pipe? We got to make sure that the boot itself will fit that pipe size. The other critical piece is how big is the hole that's in the roof? We got to make sure that the base of the roof boot is actually going to cover that hole that's in your base. What's fun with these, and you can kind of see how they've got kind of a pyramid shape, and what you can see on the sides is they're going to list what different sizes that this pipe will fit. So at the top here, this one says 4 3/4 to 6 inch for the top, and tapers all the way down to a 9.5 to 10 inch diameter. If we cut this with a utility knife, basically we just cut it right at the base, right around that perimeter. So it's an easy way to cut this boot and to make it fit the size pipe we've got. The important thing to remember with these is we've got about a 1 inch material on the outside here. So like on this particular boot, it's got an outside dimension of 12 inches. So this would fit a 10 inch hole. If we had a 12 inch hole, this is going to not cover the actual hole that we've got in there. The other consideration I always talk to folks about on the phone is depending upon location. You know, we can get a smaller boot, smaller base size to fit that same size OD of your pipe. But what happens is just like that example I showed down here, where we cut this all the way down. Well, if you're in snow country, what we have to worry about is if we've got a bunch of snow up on the roof, now we've got a spot for a penetration where a leak may occur. So sometimes what I like to do is go to a bigger boot, so that way we can come up here higher, and that way the boot is going to actually seat against the pipe on a higher side versus a lower side. Just a great way to think about, you know, exactly what the application is going to be.